Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2022 Opel Grandland and I will show you how to connect or pair your Bluetooth phone. Now this is quite easy to do. First you want to enable Bluetooth on your smartphone, and once you do that you just want to press the phone button, which is right here. And then you want to press onto Bluetooth Telephony. And now you want to press onto the search button in the top right corner. And now once you do that, the system is searching for your phone, and now I will continue this video by recording my smartphone screen to show you what has to be done. On your smartphone, first you want to enable the Bluetooth. You can do that just by pressing onto the Bluetooth icon, and this will get you into the Bluetooth menu. And here you can see all of your paired devices and available devices. You want to scroll all the way down under the available devices and press onto the Opel Grandland. And here, once you get the Bluetooth pairing request, you just press pair. And once you started the pairing process on your phone, you'll have to do the same on your vehicle. So you'll press yes here to accept the connection, and you will confirm the code, yes. And once you've established the connection, you will see your phone on the top of the paired devices list. I have a Samsung Galaxy S22, so that's my phone, but you will see your phone name here. That's it. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.